You know what separates the 5% winning day traders from the 95% losing traders? 3 words: candlestick pattern memorization. The Candlestick Pattern Playbook is a great way to learn about candlestick patterns and will help you trade like the professionals. Each pattern is shown vividly in this new color edition and is the only book that has used data from traders around the world to create a proprietary rating system to determine the accuracy of candlestick patterns that can quickly identify profitable entries and exits for trades. The book includes a step-by-step strategy to follow to help memorize these candlestick patterns so you can react without hesitation. This book will begin by describing the origin of candlestick patterns and the importance of candlestick patterns when trading. Filled with over 60 patterns with descriptions and a very helpful accuracy rating system for easy reference. Included are over 30 common patterns with actual chart examples, including the bull flag candlestick pattern that is 82% accurate, and over 30 additional examples of bullish and bearish patterns, like the identical 3 crows candlestick pattern that is over 87% accurate. Numerous quizzes are included that will test your candlestick pattern recognition as seen on actual charts. The quizzes list patterns that have been identified on a variety of charts by professional traders, and in another section of the book, the answers to these quizzes are visually captured. As an additional learning aid, flashcards for all the candlestick patterns are included towards the back of this book. The candlestick patterns and their descriptions are printed as back-to-back pages and create ready-to-use flashcards when you cut them out, with clean-colored images allowing you to test your knowledge of each pattern by answering these questions. How is the pattern recognized? What signals a possible trade? What type of pattern is it? The Candlestick Pattern Playbook, Volume 2 of the Day Trading Series, is a useful study guide that is both educational and fun. It is a great addition to the $1 Million Margin Club series of books, which includes Volume 1. The book that covers the popular RV range-bound strategy traded by many pros. Volume 2, our featured book, the Candlestick Pattern Playbook with over 60 candlestick patterns inside, also includes accuracy rating studies for each pattern. Now in color. Volume 3 is filled with challenges and games to improve pattern recognition. And Volume 4, Day Trading the Open, which identifies 4 of the most popular breakout levels used by professionals. Along with the companion books for day trading Volumes 1 and 4, these 6 books make up the Day Trading series. This detailed book also introduces indicator ideas intended for short-term analysis and tools created to help. Remember, be careful. Trading involves risk. The writers are not licensed financial advisors. You should speak to someone licensed before trading with real money. No strategy can guarantee you will profit. Visit the $1 Million Margin Club to explore other trading education resources and tools.